Balance the following redox equation in acidic solution. Here we have hydrogen peroxide reacting with thiocyanate, SCN. As with all redox reactions, split into two half reactions, spreading the reactants into two reactions, and then the products just simply need to have the elements present in the reactants. Sulfur, carbon, and nitrogen lead to three separate ions. Begin by balancing the major atom. In this case, with hydrogen peroxide, balance oxygen to have 2 on either side, and then adding a couple of hydrogen ions balances the hydrogen atoms. 2 electrons on the left balance the charge. This is the reduction reaction. The other reaction is already balanced with the major atoms, sulfur, carbon, and nitrogen, so balance oxygen by adding 7 waters. Count your hydrogens carefully. If you add 8 hydrogen ions to the right, that will bring hydrogens into balance. Now, to add electrons, you need to check out the total charges. For example, let's have a look at the left-hand side. Under the water, there's no charge with water. Thiocyanate, -1. Total charge on the left is -1. Looking at the ions on the right, adding 1, -1, and -1, and 8 plus, total charge on the right is +7. To bring this into balance, to bring +7 all the way down to -1, you need to add 8 electrons. Having balanced the half reactions, we must then combine them in such a way that the electrons cancel out. Multiply the top equation by 4 and the bottom by 1. If you do, and then add them together, for example, 2 electrons times 4 gives 8 electrons, 2 hydrogen ions times 4 gives 8, and 4 hydrogen peroxides. Now bringing the reactants from the second equation in, 7 waters and 1 thiocyanate, completes the left-hand side. Now let's look at the right. 2 waters times 4 in the top half reaction. And then all of the other ions, ammonium, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen sulfate, 8 hydrogens and 8 electrons. Notice that the electrons are equal on both sides. That was the whole idea. The electrons must cancel out. And so that's what we should do. We should take them out. Also, there are 8 hydrogen ions on both sides, and in this case, they go as well, leaving no hydrogen ions at all. There's really no need to move any further. There is no balancing in base if there are no acid hydrogen ions left over. Canceling out the waters, leaving us 1 water on the right. The final reaction, please rewrite your reaction. 4 hydrogen peroxides and a thiocyanate produce water, ammonium, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen sulfate, and if you check the charge in all the atoms, you'll find that it's balanced. Well, that's it. Thank you.